Hi everyone, this is Kenny here once again. Have good news for you today. We are pre-launching our platform, KS Digital Studio. This is arguably going to be the largest AC app store that provides affordable software solutions for every AC professional globally, whether you're an architect, an engineer, or a contractor, whatever profession you belong to in the built environment. This platform will meet all your software needs. So in this pre-launch, I want to quickly run you through what the platform entails. This hero section helps you see our vision and what we are trying to achieve. And you could read through all of these to understand our goal, objectives, and the like. So you also have few products that have been we also have some products that have been uploaded to the platform. Very useful products. I believe that a lot of us will find it very useful when we read through the details of each of the products. You see featured products. We also have a section that shows where you can download our installer. The installer is where is a desktop application that you use to install all of the apps you purchase from this platform. Here you can explore all the product categories that we have uploaded. We've grouped them into 4 basic categories: architecture, engineering, construction, and multidiscipline, because some software meets the needs of everyone within the industry. So we have success stories, which we are going to keep updating as you guys give us wonderful reviews of the product. And you can also visit our community forum. You can check out our the events that we hold in the tech events via Contact Nigeria, and also you can visit our YouTube channel through this platform. Yeah, I think and that's it. And this is the footer. You can also subscribe to our newsletter and to get recent updates and the likes. So now, I think the next thing for you as a user should be authentication. You should be able to create an account immediately, and that is what we want you to do. Once you come here, for some people use the wait list, but we want to onboard you as quick as possible. And for the first 500 users that gets onboarded, we promise you a coupon code that is going to come with huge discounts for all the products that we have on the page for all the subscription types. So once you click on create accounts, you would see where you can put in your name and the likes. You can sign up with Google. It all works perfectly well. And in my case, I have an account already. I can log in. Let me log in with Google here. All right, it says Google authentication success. So I'm logged in already. Yeah. So and if you want to read more about us, you could go to the About Us page. You'd see a few information about what we do and our core values, our vision, and our mission. Our team members, wonderful guys, and our advisors at the moment. They are doing great work for us. You can also contact us via this page. You have your full name. You can just put it, of course, it automatically reads your name once you sign in and once you sign up. And you can, whatever subject matter concern you have or feedback you have, you can send it to us via this platform. Whatsoever software need, if it says a particular need you have and you want us to help build it, you could just reach out to us via this this modal here, or you can send us a mail at info@ksdigitalinovations.com. You can chat with us directly on WhatsApp, and can also visit our social media handles to reach out to us. We have people who will be manning all of these platforms and respond to you as quick as possible. So quickly, let us do something. Let us check out our products. We've uploaded some of the products. These are not all the products we have at the moment. We have a huge number of them in our database waiting for upload. But at the moment, because of pre-launch, we want you to look through them, check out. You can also comment. You can add to carts, make them part of your wish list, Yeah, you can add them as part of your wish list. Get the gist. And also, if you want to add to cart, you can do that. Add to cart, add items to cart. The beautiful thing about our products is that we have multiple kinds of subscription. You are flexible. We just created two at the moment, but we can make it as many as possible. It can be monthly, it can be quarterly, it can be biannually. That's 6 months, 12 months. That's a year. And you have this. It naturally comes with discounts. Naturally, you would see, like the way e-commerce platforms are, we have a particular price, but this is a pre-launch price for all our products. Some we took out 50% discount and some others 40 you get. But if you are part of the very first few people that will be jumping on this platform, we are going to provide you or send you a coupon code that will give you up to 90% discount or even 99% discount. So yeah, see this, once you change the subscription, it changes the price and the base price and the discounted price changes. And one other thing you could do is to check this against your local currency. We've provided up to 20 local currencies across the world thanks to our payment gateway, TwitterWave. You can change to USD if you want to view the prices of all these products in USD. You can check Euro and shows the prices in real time, loads in real time. You can check that of South Africa Rand. It just takes a little bit of time to load. It's reading the database to check. It's okay. Right. So yeah, it is reading. So whatsoever currency you want to use to purchase these apps, you can pick them. We have up to 20. I think that's one of the bottlenecks we try to remove from acquiring softwares, AC softwares globally. A lot of platforms don't provide us the means to pay in our local currencies, and now we've made it available to everyone. So you have different product categories, and you can filter them based on your profession to see the ones that suit you and fits your needs. Engineering, and you have construction. Currently we've not uploaded anything about construction. You have some in multidiscipline. You get so beautiful. Imagine I just want to see some of the apps that cuts across all of this. Now I could come here and can view details to see more details about this product. I see the price and an overview. Perfect for architects, engineers, BIM managers, drafters, and the likes. And you also have the features and benefits, so you can understand what this particular app does. So at the moment, we've not exposed these plugins to anyone, to everyone, because we are pre-launching. But on launch, when we launch, we are going to find every of the tools and their tutorial videos, their demo videos, and other view. So all our platforms are compatible with every Revit version, depending on if it is a Revit plugin. So you can see if it's a Revit plugin via this tag here at the top. You know, okay, this is a Revit plugin. If it's an AutoCAD plugin, you can see that. If it's a standalone application, you will also see that as well. So I was checking this. Yeah, because this everybody wants to play with AI. Yeah, so I can add this to carts already. It's on my wish list. I can add it to carts. It updates my carts here. So yeah, so you can also drop a review of this product once you've used it. You're also going to be seeing pop-ups on the installer to drop a review for us. It helps us to build better products for you. So I can make this 5 or let's say 4 to be fair. I can type something awesome product. Click submit. So it reloads and refresh, and you will see your review in real time. You can take any review. You can be very real with us. Also, let's see. So now we've added this to carts, we've added to wish list, we've made a review of the product. So other things you could check. Now let's go and check your profile as a user. And yeah, naturally when you sign up, some of these fields will not be populated, or I really advise that you can edit the details and help us with your profession. It helps us to build better app for you and help you know the relevant apps that are useful for you on our platform. You can change password and whatever. You can also have your phone number for us to reach out to you directly whenever we have updates. So you can also see products here. Here, I already purchased some products from the platform. I already purchased some of these products. I could manage any of them. In this case, this, and see if I want to cancel this subscription. I want to renew the subscription once it expires. Yeah, I can know if it's expired from here. It's going to change from active to expired. Yeah. So, and my wish list. Yeah, you can come and see all the items you've added to your wish list, and then you can then add to cart. So that's on the user profile. Now let's go to the carts. You've added some items on the cart already. Yeah, you can see your cart. It shows the it shows the product you want to purchase, and the prices, the different plans you already picked prior, and then it sums up everything with this. So now this is the coupon part for everyone who is going to be signing up on this our platform. The first 500 people to sign up will receive a coupon code that gives them a discount to access all of our products, depending on whatever you want from this platform. So we have a coupon now that I can quickly apply. And see, let's see if this works. Oh, verified. Awesome. So this gives a 90% discount on all these products, and then I can proceed to checkout, and it takes me to our payment gateway, which is FlutterWave, where you can make payments. You can make payments with your card, your USSD, maybe bank or bank transfer or whatever you get. So at the moment, I'm not going to make any payments, but on launch day, everyone will have access to proceeding to checkout. You'll be able to make payments based on whatever pricing you get. So the beautiful thing is that we are going to be giving lots of discounts, heavy discounts on all our products. So like I said from the beginning, we built this platform to cut down, to take out some of the bottlenecks in acquiring AEC softwares across the world. So we built this platform in three folds. Now the web, which I just introduced to you, the websites which you can make payments for or purchase the products you want that you find fancy or useful enough for you. And then we have the installer, that's the KS Studio installer. Via this installer, you can install whatever purchase you've made, whatever product you've purchased on the website on your computer, and then once you install it, it installs, for example, a Revit plugin. It automatically goes to your Revit ribbon. You'll see the plugin there. So I'm going to do something right now. I'm going to open up my Revit in the background, 2024. It's good to know that all our products, if it's a Revit plugin, it works for all versions of Revit. If it's AutoCAD, all versions of AutoCAD. So I'm also going to open up my installer, the KS Studio installer. You can see at the bottom side there. Yep. So it's a very, very beautiful installer, well built, looking very fancy. And yes, you can access all of your purchase apps here. Remember that let's come here. You can see all the products I've already purchased here. Come to the installer, I can log in via the installer. Let me caps lock. And then my password. It has authentication checks. If you have the wrong password, it will show you that it's wrong. Let me just delete this. Wrong email and password. So I can just put in the missing number there. I can also log in with Google if I want to. Sign in. Sign in successful. Wow. So I can see my dashboard and all of the apps I've purchased on the platform. It Shows I've purchased 5 apps, which is same thing here, 5 apps. And also it shows me how many apps out of all the 5 I've installed. In this case, 0. And shows me the updates available. Of course, when there's an update, you're going to see it on the installer, and shows me how much space the apps are consuming on my computer. So you have all of this information to yourself. And here on the recently purchased area, you see the app name, the version, the type, the purchase date, the license status. If it is active, it will show active. If it is expired, it show expired. And the installation status is going to tell you if you have installed this app or not. So now on the manage your apps section, this is where you can manage your app. See, either you want to install it, you want to uninstall it, you want to update it. You can do it all in this place. So here you have a filter and sort buttons here where you can sort the apps you've installed. You've not installed anyone. Ones with updates, no one updates. So we are going to come back to this filter once we install an app, one of the apps. But the sort will definitely work. It shows you okay, recently purchased. It sorts it based on the apps that you recently purchased, then based on the type, name. Let's go back to name, category. Sorts based on category, engineering and multidiscipline. We go back here and go to cost. Sort based on the cost, and as well license status. They're all active. So beautiful. So now let's install one of the apps. Before we do that, we can go to available updates. If there are any updates at all, you're going to see the updates here. And also, if you want to purchase some more products, you want to see some other apps that we've installed, uploaded on our platform, you can come to explore apps, explore more apps, or in this case, discover more of the apps that we've uploaded on the KS Studio App Store. So you can visit one of them. You can, if you want to check this out, check it out on the KS Studio. Takes you there to the details of the products very quickly. And yeah, you want to filter it. Okay, you want to see apps that are related to architecture. You have it. It shows this is architecture. If you want the ones in engineering, it shows the ones in engineering. And you have more construction, no apps at the moment. Construction, multidiscipline. It shows you the apps multidiscipline. You can sort them out. For example, sort them based on the name or what have you, or based on the app type, or recently published. Let's change it to none. Okay, sorry, filter has to be all. And let's say name, arranges all the apps based on the name, app type, and then you have recently published, you have total downloads, you have star ratings, total reviews. So you can filter or sort all the apps based on the maximum number of downloads, and see the apps that is doing better, or doing that is selling better on our App Store and the likes. So I believe you're enjoying and you love this UI. It's a very beautiful UI. I love it myself. Okay, so notifications. If you have notifications, you're gonna see it here. We'll be sending you notifications regularly as we update and upgrade the apps and innovate the apps. You see all of them. You can also sort your notifications based on when it was sent to you and the likes. So now let's go to manage apps and install one of our apps. Okay, so if I come to Revit here, let me open this project so that we can see the install process. This project is open now. So I want to install Productivity AI. I'll click on Manage Apps. I can see some of the details about this app. The plan that I bought, the price, the cost of that plan in whatever currency I bought it in. It's going to show in the currency that you bought it in. The license status, the product type, the Revit plugin, a category is multiplicity, the version, the compatibility, it's compatible with all Revit version from 2021 to 2026. Purchased on this, and it's going to be expiring this on the 29th of July. So the days left shows that okay, you have to have 29 days left to use this particular app. I think yes, just 29 days left. That's just the expiry period. The number of days left for you to use the app before you renew. Yeah, because we believe you renew. So you can also click here to drop a review. It's gonna help us to do better. So once you click here, it takes you to the details of that app where you can come scroll down. It's loading a bit. Scroll down, and then drop a review. Yeah, it's gonna help us a lot. So back to Revit. So when I click on install, it asks me, do I want to install Productivity AI version 1.0.2? I see here, install. So it does the downloading, does the checks and what have you. So shows that okay, you've installed it, and the beautiful thing is that you get an instant notification in Revit that you want to load this app. So yes, load once, and beautifully it's going to come here, and you can see Productivity AI. It shows on every Revit version. If I open Revit 2025 now, it's going to show on Revit 2025. So all our apps are available on all versions of the proprietary and the modern software. So this is 2025 loading here. I'm going to bring it in a bit. So, when I open up this app, shows this, can come here to see, okay, to play around with this AI chat. Hello. Yeah, and I can tell it what's my productivity today. Beautiful. So this and many more, the other apps are available for you. Yeah. So let's go back to this and this. All right. So it shows now that you have installed the application. You can now see the button has changed to uninstall. And if there is an update for this app, this will change to update. So it will be clickable once there's an update. You can come to available updates. Okay, sorry, dashboard. The dashboard, now you can see that you've installed one of the apps, installed apps 1, and it shows that okay, this is the amount of space that this particular app that you've installed, or the total number of apps you've installed, is using at the moment. So you can see also on these recently purchased apps that Productivity AI is currently installed. So this and many more are the wonderful features we've provided for you. It's a very seamless process. So yeah, once again, settings here just shows you your name, your picture, and the details you put up on the platform. It's going to help us a lot. So another thing that we've provided for you is the search. You can search for any keyword and to filter out that keyword based on what's on our platform. So I can just search for Revit. Sorry, Revit. Okay, yeah, it shows all the apps that has Revit as a feature, or maybe something related to window, maybe window. Yeah, window. So there's a window feature here okay, yeah, this shows window for this. And in the case of maybe I want to search for the structural engineer beam, and okay, this app is related to beams in Revit. Structural design as an app related to beams in Revit. You get it. So, and you can also click on it and it takes you to the platform. Yeah, beautifully, very seamless and awesome user experience. So, and this is it. So I think I've run through. They are very seamless. Once you can create an account, look through the products that you want to get, and then do a walkthrough of our okay, you want this product, you add to carts, you maybe add to your wish list, and then you go to your cards, then you proceed to checkout. If you have a coupon code, that will be for the first 500 people that registers, we're going to give you a 90% or 99% discount code depending on our mood. Yeah, but we want you guys to access very affordable tools. As you can see, the prices are very, very cheap. In dollars, in USD, it is very cheap, very affordable. And also, it's good to inform you that very important to inform that Flutterwave, which is a payment gateway, takes some little amount of and charges takes based on the services they are rendering for us to make payments in multiple currencies. All right. So I think that's it. Kindly go through the platform, and if you find any of these apps interesting to you or you'd like to get them to have them, you can quickly do something for us. Drop a review inside of the product details. Once you drop a review and submit it, say, I love this app, I would love to get it. I love this app. Let me give you an example. I love this app. I would love to get it when it launches. And I can give it a 5-star. Or if you have a review, I would also like a few other features. Yeah, I think you can just look through the features and just tell us, okay, these are the features I want, blah blah blah. Yeah, I can click submit. I submit, we can see your review. So please drop reviews for each of the products you see on that platform. If it's something you would like to have, drop it there for us. We would love to make sure it's part of everything you've asked for. Is going to be part of what you get. Okay, so if you want a new feature, in no time we are going to create an update for you. You get a notification ASAP. All right, so this comes to the end of my pre-launch. Yeah, so I hope you're going to jump on this and test this out for us. I forgot to mention, you can also reach out to us via WhatsApp. If you see this WhatsApp icon, it's movable. It helps us to get direct response questions, feedback from you. If you have any concerns, we are trying to bring customer service very close to you. We know that a lot of people use WhatsApp, so if you have an issue or request, just send it to us. It is our request, and we'll get back to you in no time. So thank you very much. Have a wonderful week.